Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got more from Hong Kong. This is, there's still a ton of the Sau Tao left. If you've been following, I did a Meet the Manufacturer series. I did 15 different reviews of their products. And there's still like a huge box in our bedroom full of different varieties. So I need to get through those to make it a happier, more fun household. And yeah, this is their Sau Tao Jiangnan style noodle spicy flavor XO. So this is going to be a dry one. The one I'll do next will be a soupy one. So yeah. And the weather's starting to get warm. I'm like waiting as long as I can for the 8 air conditioning. But it's starting to get real muggy in here. Not really muggy, but really, really stuffy. It's like, ugh. But on the bright side, this is going to be the last of the grocery store game tickets you're gonna see, but there's a lot of them. See, one time, like last year, they gave me like, on the last day, they gave me like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, I want to say 15 boxes of these, maybe 12. I'm just like, this is ridiculous. I didn't peel them. I was like, screw it. These though, I think I will, because I found stuff that's really not bad. The whole thing is remembering to bring them in and like to feel like spending all that time at the store picking out all the different stuff. But there's so many tickets. Like last night, I want to say I spent like an hour and a half. And I made it halfway through this box. Oh no, more like, I think I got through like 300 tickets. And then I came in here and there was still even more tickets to do. So it was just, I added and that's where it's at. I don't know though, I'm starting to get really burned out on it, and I've got a ton of winning ones, but it's just like, woohoo, free food, but then again, it's like, here, free donut or bagel. It's like, oh, I love donuts and bagels. Oh, but that's kind of naughty, isn't it? You know, they're not low-cal, that's for sure. I've been in a serious freaking battle of wits with food lately. It really sucks. But then again, I've been doing a lot more exercise. But then again, now that she's back to work, she being she who is my wife, the amazing Kit, she's back to work as of today. Her kidney stone action is done. Thank God. I've never had a kidney stone, but I'm going to tell you right now, after seeing what she's gone through with them in the past, this one was a lot different. It seemed like it went a lot easier, a lot quicker. But she's had ones that she'd had to get surgically removed, and they blast them with a laser. Right now they're saying that's elective surgery. I'm pretty sure most people that would go to those lengths to get rid of a kidney stone would say, "Oh no, this is kind of required." Oh, crap. Well, I didn't set the timer. I'm gonna say it's been a minute already. But yeah, I'm glad that's done. Horrible business. But that being said, the only downside of that is I was doing like 30,000 steps a day, and that's gonna be hard now because by the time she gets home from work, if I went and I took Mimi out for that, our regular long walk, oh dude, forget it. We'd be back at 9. So instant winner, donut or bagel. It's like I'm literally gonna go and like get like, I'm like, yes, I'm here for my 50 bagels and donuts. Sour cream. Like I don't. It's hard because it's like, hey, it's free. It's free. But we don't need sour cream. We never use it. I mean, today actually is Cinco de Mayo, which actually does fall on a Taco Tuesday. I'm going to tell you something right now. What's this? Oh. I really am not a big fan of tacos. I'm not, like, I don't not like them. But the idea of like, oh yeah, we just set up a taco bar. You can build your own taco. I'm like, oh, I want nothing to do with that. You build your own taco. I want to sit and eat. I don't want to build a damn taco. But I know there's a lot of people out there that are just like, oh my god, taco. I like street tacos. Donut or bagel. And I know some of you are like, you could go, dude, you could go give them to the homeless people. I'm like, I'm not going to go looking for homeless people. I had one find me the other day, and boy, that guy was a weirdo. He like walks up to me, and he's like, dude, you know what? If this really were a pandemic, we'd be stepping over bodies right now. Pretty sure he was homeless. All I know is he was definitely he was a meth head, but yeah, I'm like, hey dude, you want some bagels and donuts? I'm sure he doesn't have much of an appetite after doing a big rail of crystal. That's how that kind of works. Alright, wow. Noodle doodle. Noodly doodly. Noodle doodle! Potatoes ready. Now let's drain our noodle doodle. Well, not mine. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. I've done a huge amount of new intros and outros for this show lately. I did this one this morning, actually. So when I walk, I always see all these shopping carts. I went out from what, 5:30 to 6:30, and on the return way, I went and I got a bunch of photos of abandoned shopping carts. And it's kind of like, they're usually almost anthropomorphic. They're built to have character, I swear. So there's like, a lot of the time there's just like a pair of them hanging out. It's just like, they're huddled, they're homeless shopping carts. They're far from home. They're afraid they can't get home on their own, blah blah blah. That's their backstory. And so I did a little thing like, they're far from home, they need your help. You can do so much and it costs so little. And just like a montage of photos of shopping carts that are all up and down Bothell Way. I'm sure if I kept going past the grocery store, there would have been a ton more hanging out too. I think some of them got taken away, to be honest, but there's just like tons and tons and tons. So this is the spicy chili one. I'm getting a peanut hit off of it, that's for sure. Alright, food. Spicy, nutty. The noodles are thin. And they've got a nice chew. Huh. I like that. Mung bean sprouts. Oh, am I supposed to add a little liquid in this one? One moment. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to add like 60 mils of water. Here we go. I'm gonna go with that. I could be wrong. I'm pretty darn sure I am correct on this, though. I like the way it tastes without the 60 mils of water. Let's see how it tastes with the 60 mils of water. Yep, that's no problem. Not as dry. Yeah, I'm enthused. This gets good. This will have a nice number. As I've mentioned, and I was telling somebody, there's going to be a new Meet the Manufacturer coming very soon with a Vietnamese company. Pretty dang sure it'll be the absolute first Vietnamese Meet the Manufacturer I've ever done, which is really exciting. So cool on that. And so that's neat. But what was I saying? I don't even remember what I was saying. Here's some beef. What was I saying? God. I either need more sleep or I need more caffeine. And honestly, I think it's the latter. There's a freshly made egg of the day. Okay, come on. Let's be friendly about this. Come on, egg. Come on, egg. Flip over, you jerk. There you go. You Could have been a little nicer egg. I think. But yeah, another meat manufacturer coming. That'll be groovy. I'm gonna add some Lao Gan Ma spicy chili crisp just because I can. That with the beef. That's the hard thing. I deal with a lot of really tasty ingredients and tasty food. And it's like really, really hard. But what gets me? What gets me? Freaking take and bake pizza and cookies. I mean, this is so much better than the stuff that I eat too much of. I think. Yeah. Well, this is a winner. Very delicious, very enjoyable. And yeah, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider. Sucking back some rainbow unicorn with y'all. Enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.